Dyson HushJet Mini Cool is marketed as a premium portable fan that's powerful, quiet, and ultra-convenient. But the real question is whether it's actually worth $100 or just a stylish gadget. What it actually is, in simple terms. This is Dyson's first handheld/wearable mini fan with up to 55 miles per hour airflow, boost mode, 5 speed levels plus boost mode, up to 6 hours battery life. 3. In one use, handheld, desk, or wearable. Compact size, 212G pocketable. Think of it as a high-end personal cooling device, not a room fan. What it actually does well, 1. Surprisingly strong airflow. For something this small, it's genuinely powerful. Boost mode can hit high-speed airflow comparable to much bigger fans. This is its biggest strength. It actually cools you, not just blows air. True portability, this is where it stands out. Fits in your hand or bag, can be worn around your neck, works on desk or on the go. Great for commuting, travel, outdoor heat, or no AC environments. Premium design plus safety. Bladeless design, safer plus cleaner look. Sleek, minimal Dyson build. Lightweight and comfortable. It feels like a luxury gadget, not a cheap mini fan. Where it falls short, it's expensive for what it is. Around $99. You can get decent handheld fans for 5x cheaper. Battery life is just, okay, not up to 6 hours, but less on high speed. Realistically, high power equals drains fast. All day use equals you'll need charging. Cooling is directional, not whole body. It's a focused airflow beam, not wide cooling. Translation, great for your face/neck. Not great for cooling a full room or multiple people. So, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it, but only if you care about premium and portability. If you just want airflow, cheaper fans do the job. If you want the best mini fan experience, this is one of the top options right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.